Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you what should you do in while a stock is trading in a side trend. Now before starting my video, I want to tell you that uh, if you want to invest in the in a side trend, haven't you saw any other haven't you discover do your research and find another stocks that are worthy of an uptrend or downtrend, that worthy of a long position or short position. So if you haven't find those, if you want to trade a side trend and want to gain some knowledge of how to do it, then this video should is for you guys. Watch till the end and let's start. Now let's say, now you can see here this area is an uptrend. I'm not going to be telling you about this area. You can see here this area, the up and the down and then again. Well, one thing I can show you here is you can see that this is a great area of support level. You can see I've showed this to you in my previous videos as well. I'm going to be showing that to you again. Now you can see that this is a great area of support level which previously acted as a resistance level at two different points, 1 and 2, actually 3 points. Yes, so now this acts as a support level for this area. Now you can see here that this strategy applies best here, as the stocks from the upper hand come down, touch this trend line and went straight ahead above. Now let me tell you something about a side trend. Now if a side trend is something like this, closely packed to each other, then don't invest in a side trend. As you can see here that a side trend going too far like this is not reliable. As you can see here, up and down, up and down, you can see here this top, you cannot predict whether where to invest and where to go ahead. Like you can see, if you want to invest in this stock market, it's at the lowest level. You can see if this is at the upper level, then stay away from it. If this is at an uptrend, then stay away from it. Now you can see here this is at the lowest level, so it means that it is a bit safer than anyone. You can invest in it. If this goes up as it did here, then you're profitable, but if it goes down, then you are not. In that case you are not profitable. So in this case you can see here it went up, and after a rally in the downward direction, a downtrend, it again went upward. This time it went way ahead than the previous ones. Now if this type occurs in a downtrend, then as I said earlier, it is safe. But it occurs in an uptrend over here at this area, then it's not safe. Then try to stay away from it a bit. Stay away from it, because it's more risky, and you could, if still you want to invest in it, so do your risk management properly. Now if it's over here somewhere, let me show you guys. If it's over here somewhere in the middle of a trend, not up or nor down, then if you want to invest in this area, do do your analysis properly. Where are the support and resistance level? So it might come and touch that area and went straight ahead. Now if a side trend is over here, so this will be your support level, which the stocks, if in case comes down, will touch this area, touch this trend line and went straight ahead. Now if now let's say if you invest here and the stock went up, that's a great thing to be considered. But if it came down, then it's not. So you will have to do your risk management and take profits, calculate those properly, because investing is all about gaining profits. So do that properly. Now in this type of trend, you can gain some profit. As I showed to you, in this type of closely packed, it's not possible, but in this case it is possible up to some extent. Now let me show you something over here. Now you can see here I can use this area as a support level, but it does not match any resistance level in the previous data. You can see here Now if I move this a bit upward over here, you can see that it is in the middle of the trend, so it does not match my my trading plan or trading formula, whatever you say. So I'll have to lower it down. If I move it up more upward, then it's not, so yeah, it do touch this area, but it's not that much. So I'll have to use these two areas you can see here, one over here and one over here. I will use these areas as my initial support levels. Now whenever the stocks came to this level and went straight ahead, uh, buy at this level and sell whenever the stock is at its highest. Let me draw another line. So this will be your take profit. Make a trade. This will be your take profit whenever the stocks come near to it, like over here. Close your position at that level. Sell the stocks, and also you can short your position here. Let's suppose you've bought 4 stocks here, and as it reached here, sell all of those 4 stocks, and you can sell them over here. Sell 2 stocks over here and remain the 2. As it reached over here, sell the remaining 2 stocks and short 2 more stocks, and short 2 stocks, so you can also gain profit from it. Like, this is the method of how I would do over here. Another case is, if you like invest in this area in the middle again, like over here in this stock, so you have nothing to worry about as the stocks came down and went up ahead. So this or you already have a support level for this area, which you can use it and gain profit from. Now it's still trading over here below. It's a strong bullish candle, but also before that a strong bullish candlestick appeared. So we'll have to wait for it to show us some results of how it will do in the future, of how it will do. And it will, if it goes up up till this point, which the indicators are, the moving average and the parabolic star are also showing. So we'll have to wait for it to show how it does in the future, and then trade accordingly. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.